friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Silver the Hedgehog from Sonic, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along your own pace. So first let's get started right in the center, and we're going to draw in a circle for the nose. On the top of this now, we're going to add another circle for the highlight, and then we're just going to color in the nose black. Let's frame in the mouth here now. So on each side, we're going to curve this down, up, and in. We'll replicate that on the right. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to close that off with a curved line. So we're just going to connect this all the way around, pulling that up on the side. Now in the middle, let's draw in a curved line. To the left-hand side, we're going to add a small corner bracket. Let's step up. So from the middle, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line up and across. We'll replicate that on the right, so rounding it out on the bottom, curving this up and across. Now from here, we're going to start to tuck this down. So on the side, blending that in together, we're going to curve this down and pulling that up on the side, replicating that on the opposite side as well. Now from that point, we're going to curve this over and in towards the middle, ending that at the same height. Let's frame in the eyes here now. So on each side, we're just going to curve this around and down to the cheek. We're going to step in, leaving a gap, curving that around and then back up. Let's draw in an oval right in the middle here for the pupil. So stepping over from the nose, coming up, let's draw in an oval, curving that around, connecting that on the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the center, let's draw in an oval. So we're going to connect this underneath. And then we're going to add in another oval right on the top for the highlight. Now let's just color in our pupil black. Now on each side from that point, we're going to curve this over and up to the top. And then from that point, we're going to tuck this back down to the middle. Now on each side, we're going to round that out, tucking that through to the top. Let's add in the ear here. So on the top here, we're just going to curve this line out. And then from that point, just rounding that out, tucking it back in on the side. Now in the center, let's come down, curving that in again. And then from the middle, arching that over. Now from the cheek here, we're just going to curve this over and across. And then from that point, rounding that out, bringing that through to the top. Now let's come down in the center. So on each side, we're just going to curve this line in on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back out. Now from that point, let's tuck this around and into the center. For the torso now, stepping out, we're going to curve this in on each side, ending that at the same height. Right in the middle, let's draw in a curved line. Let's come up for the arms. So from the cheek, we're going to curve that out on a diagonal. Let's step down, lining that up at the same height, pulling that into the torso. Let's close off the wrist here. So stepping up, we're going to arch this down. Now on each side, we're going to bring this back down on a diagonal again. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line. Let's step up. We're going to draw in another curved line. And then leaving a small gap, let's finish that off one more time. Now for the thumb, from the edge, we're just going to round that out, tucking that in. For the first finger here, curving this around and up. Let's move over in the center again, replicating that. And then one more time, curving this around and in towards the top. Now for the leg, stepping over from the center, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes out on each side. We'll line that up at the same height on the outside, pulling that in on a diagonal. Let's close this off with a curved line on the bottom. Now on the back, we're just going to curve that back out again to the inside. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the front, curving that across. Now from here, we're going to bring this down on a diagonal on each side. And we'll do the exact same thing on the front. Let's close that off with a curved line underneath. Now let's move up, leaving a small gap, curving that back through again. And then one more time as we come up, curving that out. Now let's draw in the feet. So on the back, we're just going to curve that down to the bottom, ending that at the same height. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. Let's step up from this line now, curving this around and out. And then from that point, we're just going to round that out, tucking that over and into the top. Let's close off the sole of the shoe here, just arching that through. And then on the very front here, curving that back up. And that is it. That's how you draw Silver the Hedgehog. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.